Friends, in Bharat Marks My Take today, I'm going to introduce you to two men. Okay, two most hated men in Canada. Okay, I am going to prove you this, with the social media indicators. Just stick around. Okay, Mr. Justin Trudeau. Okay, who is the Canadian Prime Minister as of today. Okay, and also the Mr. Hypocrite Khalistani Jagmeet Singh, who is banned from entering into India because of his terrorist connections. The reason I say this in this introduction is because this will say you how much hypocrite he is. Okay, this is very funny. Okay, but it is true. Okay, and two most hated men in Canada. Okay, let's see how much people hate them. That's a goal, to show you. We are going to go through the Twitter feed. These guys, okay, you have to understand. Justin Trudeau today is running a government with this puppet, Jagmeet Singh, who is the so-called self-chosen with all the scams on the membership deals they ran. Everybody knows about what happened with the membership deals and how he became the president. Anyway, kudos to him. For Dhaliwal became a Jagmeet Singh and became the leader of NDP and took charge of it to destroy it. Okay, but anyway, today he is nothing but a puppet of Justin Trudeau. Okay, and what people think about these guys, you have to know. Okay, that's what we are going to do. This is not my opinion alone. This is the opinion of the people. Okay, you will see. And today's condition, okay, Justin Trudeau, with the support of this guy Jagmeet Singh, threatens Putin. Okay, threatens Putin. Don't ask him. Okay, he went and hide in the rat hole on hearing the honk of the truckers. By putting the emergency and all those things. But today's condition. Okay, the MPs of the conservative parties and those who supported the freedom movement in Ottawa are afraid their bank balance can be frozen. Okay, it's not the common people alone. I am talking about the MPs, MPPs. He has Canadian Prime Minister today with this man Jagmeet Singh supporting him into it. He got the power like Hitler in the hand. Okay, let's see what people feel about it. Okay, Canada is known for its free spirit. Okay, but see how free they are going. And and also do like and subscribe this channel. Okay, because we discuss on various matters. And comment, do you or you don't agree that these two guys are the most hated men in the Canadian history? Okay, and also we are going through different hashtags, different things on what people say, and then you come to your own conclusion and comment. Okay, let's get started. He is the big guy. So let's start with Justin Trudeau. Okay, the other guy is a puppet man for him. So let's start with him. Okay, the Canadian PM. Canada strongly condemns Russia's recognition of so-called the independent states in Ukraine. This is a blatant violation of Ukraine's sovereignty and international law. Canada stands strong in its support for Ukraine, and we will impose economic sanction for these actions. Further we reject and condemn Russia's decrease order military forces into Ukraine. We remain steadfast in our support for Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity and independence. Canada and our allies will defend the democracy. This is the best joke. Okay, these guys put a emergency. See, You have no idea. The white guys, okay? You see, man, these guys can go to any extent and they have all their chamcha medias around, okay? They put emergency on the truckers and freeze account. And today I'm going to show you the MPs, MPPs of Canada are afraid their accounts can be frozen with the supreme leader's power what Justin Trudeau has. Okay, and he is talking about will defend democracy in Ukraine. Okay, there is no bigger hypocrisy than this. But let's go through. Okay, that's the keeping my opinion aside. Are these regions ethnic Russians though? Somebody is asking here. Graham, do not remember what happened in Bosnia. What could potentially happen again? Ukraine territory belongs to Ukraine, whether ethnic Russians live there or not. If West allows Russia to do this, it will happen in Bosnia also. Okay, you see here now comes. Okay, now I am not going through in any order. I am just going through as it is. So I am not. You cannot call me as a prejudiced or anything like that. Okay, you can't handle truck honks, yet you expect to handle Russian might. That's a good question there. Truck honks have been handled here. His proper handling of them literally trending on Twitter Canada right now. This is coming from Chinese handle. Okay, you can see it. And you are one step away from Putin. Okay, see here. Russia freezes bank accounts linked to the opposition political parties. Politician Navalny, right? You see here. Trudeau vows to freeze anti-mandate protesters' bank account. Not only that, it's many of the MPs, MPPs who support this, protesters, their accounts are in jeopardy too. Okay, that's very, very interesting. And they talk about democracy. If you allow the government to break the law during an emergency, they will create emergencies to break the law. If you allow the protesters to hold city hostage until what they get, they will keep doing that till they get what they want. See here, this hypocrite was standing with the farmers' law. You know that, right? Many of these guys who write here don't know. Yeah, he was ready to break India for the support of Khalistani gang. He was breaking India. Okay, by standing with the Khalistani forces. That time it was okay for him to break India because it is only the largest democracy in the world. But now he stands for Russia because they are doing emergency like the same way how he did it. I know lots of, see here, Forel is saying, I know lots of my neighbors in my area are saying they are going to withdraw the money on Monday, including myself. I am physically buying gold and silver, and Thursday, Tuesday, screw this. I wasn't at the protest, but I don't trust the banks anymore. See, but even if you have gold, who is going to buy from you? If these guys says don't buy from so-and-so number, nobody is going to buy from you anyway, okay? Around 100 years ago, the women won the right to vote. They did this by blocking roads, chaining themselves to railings, getting arrested, causing disruptions and being bloody nuisance. The tactics worked, they won. But what they don't know is 100 years back, okay, 500 years back, 1000 years back, in India, women were ruling the country, folks. Okay, and many times these guys comes and teach the democracy in India. That's very funny. Okay, if not anything else, but what the user here, okay, is saying is absolutely right. Absolutely right. If not, a Western country wouldn't have allowed a woman to vote. Here there is one thank you message coming. Okay, so he has couple of supporters still. How much did you get paid for the tweet? That's exactly the question I wanted to ask Pau Bitcoin. Okay, thank you for all you what you do, Justin Trudeau. I am proud of you to have you as a PM. How much did you get paid for the tweet? Good question, Aaron Howell. They are not independent state. Invading Ukraine has been the top Russian agenda for 20 years. It has been the catastrophe if it happens. Foreign affairs expert explains. What a hypocrisy. These guys were working with Khalistanis to break India, and that time it is okay for them because breaking democracy and brown skin people are okay for these guys. Okay, especially if you don't have no headgear. Canadian national security is now threatened. Already have the Emergency Act in place from those bouncy castle terrorists to deal with Russia. Don't need rapid development force. Already have 200 CAF personnel in Ukraine under operation. Okay, now see here, Biden, Russia recognition of DPR and LPR poses threat to US. Distance from Ukraine to United States is 9,181 kilometers. Air travel distance equal to this much. Okay, just wait for the payback. China will be with Russia. Canada will be very affected. Yeah, Canada is, Justin Trudeau is how much scared of China. Yeah, world knows it. And now also, Russia, Putin, after seeing him, what he will do is he meeting the world leaders and the world stage is a very known fact how he behaves weirdly. Standing up to them is more than your own citizens. We don't have housing. Inflation is at the highest. We have been under lockdown for 2 years. Ukraine is not our main concern, says Priscilla Jones. Pandemics don't have calendar. Interest rates have been exceptionally low since 2008 crash. Don't you get to expect what the world is awash in printed money for COVID-19? Breaking, Justin Castro has made a big footage from Russia's invasion in Ukraine. Oh wait, no, it's just Justin Trudeau dealing with peaceful protesters in Ottawa. My mistake. It's unbelievable, isn't it? See here, folks. Unbelievable. How they are dealing and their chamcha magazines, okay, they will give them, they rank number 5 in democracy, the level of democracy, whereas India ranks 55. Okay, you talk about skin and how much it affects. When you have white skin, you get a higher rank of democracy. When you have brown, that too, especially when you don't have a headgear, forget it. It's not a surprise you are one of the Putin's bootlicker. Okay, see, you have to understand, many people support in Canada today Putin than Justin Trudeau. That's a point I am making here. Okay. See here, you implement stronger policies against your own citizens for protesting than you do against Russia. See here, how the no arm protesters, who are, what do you say, who are protesters, peaceful protesters, they have been, how they are handled is unbelievable. From a democratically top 5 ranking country. That's very funny, isn't it? As it sounds. Where is a video of stormtroopers throwing a veteran on the ground and handcuffing them? The men who fought for this now lost freedom. Thank you. Russia is not a rich country. The world stands together and refuses to trade with them. Russia will have no choice but to step back. These are all big talk. I remember this Western nation going for a sanction against India, and after bloodying their nose, they came back tucking their tail behind. If not, you go and see what happened when they gave the sanction to India. Anyway, now let's go to our buddy Khalistani here. Okay, Jagmeet Singh, the puppet of Justin Trudeau. Putin has walked away from peace and inches towards the horror of war. New Democrats condemn the attack on territorial integrity of Ukraine with the escalating threat of further invasion. Canada must guard safety, security, and sovereignty of India. Yeah, I want to ask his knucklehead. Okay, you are not allowed to come inside India because you are working to disintegrate India. Okay, and you are working as a puppet. How you are doing in Canada, how you are working for Justin Trudeau, the same way you are working for Pakistani ISI to disintegrate India. Okay, and that's why you are not allowed to come inside India. You are banned. And this guy is saying the sovereignty of the country has to be respected. Is that not funny? Okay. Can't believe. Here is Timmerman saying, can't believe I voted for NDP. How can you vote in favor of Emergency Act? Still, you are supposed to keep Justin a check. Oh, forget it. He is just a puppet. What do you expect? No one living in Ottawa wanted an occupation. Mandates are going to end. It's all about the healthcare system and not overwhelming it. We needed it. Hey, go away, resign. Putin is no threat to any country. Liberals, NDP, and Democrats in USA are the threat to America and Canada. Okay. Should we do this by going to war or attempting to conduct a peace talk? I am very confused. Don't do peace talk. Handle it the way how you did with the truckers. Maybe that is the right way to do it. Putin will give you a couple of things on the rear. Putin is not going to be like the peaceful protesters in Ottawa. We likely to act in accordance with the NATO allies. We are currently talking about sanctions, and we already have troops helping to defend our NATO allies. We will continue to provide aid to Ukraine. See here, this dude supported the farmers' protest. Okay, this hypocrite, he needs a big history lesson. This hypocrite supported the farmers' protest in India and funded it by Hawala money from in Canada, and cried foul, saying peaceful protesters and has to be handled peacefully. In a largest democratic country in the world, they don't know how to handle it. Only the top 5th country knows how to handle the peaceful protester. Okay, and here, when it came in Canada, because he doesn't want to offend Trudeau, he was all against the protest. To that extent, this dude didn't even give langar. Okay, they always brag about giving langar. We give langar. Wherever people are hungry, we give langar. They didn't even show up in the protest part because they didn't want to offend Trudeau. Otherwise he'll give them couple in the rear. Okay, and now this guy is voting for emergency power. Whatever Trudeau will say, this guy will say yes, boss. Okay, and now because he wants to stand for the sovereignty of Ukraine, but he will work for disintegrating India. Because he is against hate attack in the mosque mosque attack in Canada, but he will pray and worship the largest terrorist attackers of Kanishka Airlines, Air India bombers. Hypocrisy knows no limit. Okay, and this is the guy. Swastikas and other hate symbols. Here is another one, Liptad. Swastikas and other hate symbols are illegal in Ukraine. Okay, Let me say you folks, billion people, billions of Hindus, Buddhists, okay, and Jains treat swastika as a holy symbol. Okay, Christian missionaries are propagating with these puppets. Yeah, in fact, Sikh gurus were using swastikas. These guys won't say it now. Don't ask them. Okay, if you want to know it, go to Sikh, the real Sikh history untold in Bharat Marg. You will find all about it. Thank you for your yes vote to emergency and your commitment to the extraordinary and ordinary people of Canada. Who is that? This is what, sarcastic post or what? So you want Canadians to go and fight and die in Ukraine? The Ukrainians can have the freedom that you took away from Canada. Hey, have you seen your office back in, Jagmeet Singh, Trudeau's puppet? Hope you went through this different reactions of people about these guys. It's a matter of Russia, but people are taking out the frustrations on these guys and how they run the country. One is the puppet master and another is a puppet, they say. Do you agree with that? Do you disagree with that? Go ahead and comment, like, share and stay connected. Okay folks, Jai Sri Ram. Hare Krishna.